If you would like to create a video where you will be showing a computer screen, but you have personally identifiable information on those web pages, complete the screen recording in Canva with the personally identifiable information visible. And then when you save and exit the screen recording in Canva, you can use elements, put a shape on the screen and drag it wherever you would like, and cover up that personally identifiable information. When you have completed your screen recording, selected Done, and then selected Save and Exit, you will return to the project page. In the project page, you can select Elements, search for a rectangle, and then drop a rectangle on the page. You can then move the rectangle over the personally identifiable information and then resize the rectangle to cover up just that personally identifiable information. You can even change the color of the rectangle to blend in with the background while also covering up the personally identifiable information. The white rectangle covers up the personally identifiable information, but also blends in with the background. You could use a colored rectangle like gray to show to the audience that there is personally identifiable information there, but it's being covered up. When you move the screen up or down, or left or right, or pinch and zoom, then having a rectangle or a circle to cover up the personally identifiable information would be difficult because that rectangle and circle would have to move along with the moving name or the photos of the people who you're trying to cover up. So it is recommended that when you are screen recording with personally identifiable information, you either use screenshots or keep the page still. Thank you. I hope this was helpful. If you need any help creating videos or have any questions, please reach out to your technology integration specialist from the Office of Digital Learning.